Friends, on the Whaler channel, today I'm going to show you what to do if you can't change your date of birth on Snapchat. That is, when you go to the profile, yes, to the settings, date of birth, and here, well, this one does not work. Date of birth change slider. Yes, here I am and everything is clear for me. If you can't change, scroll to the bottom and there is a help center here. Scroll down and here we need to click on the Contact Azzy button. Here, scroll down and accordingly select I have a problem with Snapchat settings. Here, let's scroll down. Here select settings and I want to change my date of birth in the Snapchat application. Scroll down and click Contact respectively. Support. Here, scroll down and fill in all this. Here I entered here the name, login from your account, email address, and here we write that you want to change respectively the date of your birth and enter the date. Click the submit button and accordingly pass the captcha. That's it. And accordingly we had a ticket flying. That's when you'll get a response to support and they may ask you for more information about how old you are and you'll need to give information about it. That's all. LR was with you. Bye everyone.